Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make these taqueria style pickled jalapenos with carrots and onions. Not for the faint of heart, but delicious and easy. Before we make anything, if you would please subscribe and turn on the notification button, I'd really appreciate that. Let's go make this. You can skip this step if you don't have a little mortar. Please don't even worry about it, okay? But I have one, so I need to show off. So I'm gonna put about 12 peppercorns in here. About a half a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. Use oregano that you have if you can't find Mexican, okay? And about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. If you don't have cumin seeds, use ground cumin. Same with the pepper. You know, if you don't have peppercorns, just use ground black pepper. So all we're gonna do is just crush this a little bit. That's it, guys. I'm gonna set this aside. Oh, this is very fragrant. So now we're gonna get our vegetables ready for our escabeche. We're gonna slice a small white onion. We just want to slice it and we just want to slice it thin like this, okay? I have 6 garlic cloves. All I'm gonna do is smash them, peel them, and that's it. I'm gonna cut off those little tips. We're gonna use 2 carrots. I'm gonna peel them. And we're gonna slice them about a 1/4 inch thick. Like this, not thick at all, okay? Now the jalapenos, I have 8. As you can see, I washed them. I am gonna put gloves on to chop these. It's a lot of them and I don't want my hands to burn. All right, I'm gonna cut off the stems. And I'm simply going to cut these into slices like the carrot. I'm leaving the seeds in, like that. All right, I'll do all these and come back. By the way, I'm cutting the stem and the tip. I have 1 cup of water in this measuring cup. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of white distilled vinegar. So up to 2.5. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil to this pot. You can use olive oil if you want, or any oil that you have, okay? About a tablespoon. And I'm going to add the onion and the garlic. We're gonna cook this garlic and the onion for, 4 or 5 minutes until the onion starts to get translucent and it softens, okay? Now we're gonna add the spices. Let that cook for a bit. Oh yes, fragrant, fragrant. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves. Let those also get nice and fragrant. All right, now I'm gonna add the jalapenos and the carrot. I'm going to add the liquid. I'm gonna add another half cup of vinegar and another quarter cup of water to this. Yeah, that's better. And now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sea salt. Use sea salt or kosher salt if you can when you're pickling things. The iodine in regular salt sometimes changes the flavor, but if you don't have a choice, use what you have, okay? We're gonna bring this to a boil, reduce the heat, and we wanna simmer it until the jalapenos are no longer bright green. All right, these are ready. As you can see, they're no longer bright green. I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna transfer them to their jars. I have 2 clean jars here and I'm gonna divide the vegetables into them. I do want one of those bay leaves in each one. I don't know about you guys, but I love, love, love this stuff. Give it a nice little squish so it's all covered in the liquid. I'm gonna let these cool down completely. Then I'm gonna put the lids on and I'm gonna refrigerate them at least 24 hours. The longer you let this sit in the vinegar, the better it's gonna taste, of course. So I'll see you when this is ready. Let's taste our jalapenos. That is good, guys. Wow, it is spicy. I can feel the burn inside my mouth. Oh, but it's so flavorful. Oh, it sure beats the ones you get out of a can, of a bottle at the supermarket. Very, very, very nice. Oh, and the onion. And I don't know if you heard that, but it's still kind of crunchy. It's perfect. Oh, guys, thanks for watching. If you could share this video with your friends and family, I would really appreciate it. And a like and a comment, that'd be awesome. Thank you. I'll see you soon.